Guys, my name is Zach, and today I've got another product review from Azio. This is the Azio wireless HTPC keyboard. So this is pretty sweet, and let's get started. It has a compact style, ergonomic design, and multimedia hotkeys. As you can see, this is the keyboard itself, and it is pretty much from the box meant to be for, like, you're holding it like this. So let's go ahead and turn the box over. This box has a pretty tough glare, so I'll try to get this in. This is USB 2.4 gigahertz. It comes with two AAA batteries. It has a 30 hours usage time and usually will last 6 months. Has a range of up to 10 meters, and OS support is just Windows 2000 XP, Vista 7 and 8. So yeah, it's got a quick start guide, and it comes with a USB extension cord and the batteries, the mini receiver, just like any mouse or other keyboard would. So let's go ahead and open the box from here. Yeah, when I took my first glance at this, I didn't realize it was going to be so small. I had never really thought of a keyboard being like this and stuff like that. So here's the keyboard itself. So yeah, I think you would use your thumbs like you were texting on an older slide phone. So I definitely like how they're bringing this back. This is cool. It also on the back has these little rubber grips, so I guess if you wanted to set it down and type like a regular keyboard, that might be a little harder though. Now I noticed it does have this little plastic stuff. I think this is actually a touchpad, or like a little cursor. You can move it around, like it's like the mouse. So here we've got backwards, forwards play, volume stuff right here. It's pretty much just a full-size QWERTY keyboard, which is nice. I love full-size stuff. It does not have a numpad, but that's not a big deal. Has all the function keys and stuff like that. Pause. Yeah, so let's go ahead and dig in a little bit more. It's got an on-off switch on the back. And this is probably where you put the batteries. Yep, so let's go ahead and do that. So we just open this flap, and here's our USB extension cable. And our nano receiver. And our AAA batteries, which I'm trying to, oh, there we go. So we just, okay. Don't want to mess up this box. There we go. So we have our batteries, so let's go ahead and get this. There we go. There's one, and there's two, so let's set them aside. Alright, so how does this go in? Positive right here, okay. So just slide that in, just like that. And we will put this back on. So now we're going to go ahead and plug the nano receiver into my computer. Turn on my monitor. I turned them off due to the screen glare and stuff like that. Alright. And let's test this bad boy out. So we got the batteries and stuff like that in. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. Device is now ready to be used. Oh, it went away too fast. Installing device driver software. So it's picking it up. Now we have a small LED indicator. Oh, totally forgot. We have a user guide. That might be important. So let's go ahead and look at this. Oh, it's okay. I see. So this pretty much just tells you how to do it. Just plug it in, and if we need the USB extension right here. I'm not using this on my HTPC TV because I don't have one, or my computer. I don't have a computer hooked up to my TV, but we can simulate the same thing using just my normal computer and like YouTube and Netflix, stuff like that. click it on, pretty much stuff like that. Further information, go to azio.com. Alright, so I think this is now on. Yes, it is turned on. Let's make sure. Yep, okay. So let's go ahead and test this out. Let's move this stuff. This is... There we go. Sorry about that. Alright. So let's go to Google. Oh, wow, it works. Sweet. Oh, yep. So, real fast. This might be a little hard to show you guys, but this little thing right here, actually, when I move it, it moves my cursor. So this is it's like on one of those kind of laptop things. I can't remember what it's called, but it's actually on the keyboard itself. So obviously, you're not going to have a mouse hooked up to your TV. So this is pretty sweet. You could just use this as your cursor when you're on your TV. So that, I love that. That's pretty sweet. Let's go ahead and use this to go to YouTube or something like that. We can go to Netflix. So Netflix. I guess I could use the keyboard to click it. Alright, so do that. And I guess we just hit enter. Or click. Yeah, there we go. Alright. So we're on Netflix now. And let's go find something to watch. We can use the down arrows, up arrows to cycle through the page, or to scroll. Let's see here. Let's watch How It's Made. I don't know. We can do what we want. Oh, okay. This is a left click, left mouse click, and right mouse click. I was trying to figure that out. So we have our, like I said, left mouse click on the left. This button, left mouse click, and right mouse click. What's up? I've now got everything set up. I've got Netflix on. So here's the keyboard itself. We're going to go ahead and test this out. So we got our little cursor here. We'll go down here and hit play with it, which is on the bottom left. So play. And here we go. And let's test our controls up here out. So we have our volume. That works. And I don't know why, but these buttons don't work for whatever reason. I think it's because these controls possibly have to be the computer actually has to be hooked up to a TV and stuff like that. While I'm just using this, you know, as a normal computer. So I'm pretty sure that's why these don't work, but all the other keys work. So it's gonna give a little quick angle views of the keyboard itself. Alright, let's go ahead and pause the video by hitting spacebar. So yeah, I love the tactile feedback of the keys. As I've mentioned in my previous videos, I'm a big fan of that. So yeah, I say so yeah a lot for whatever reason. This, like I said, has everything a normal keyboard has, which is amazing for the fact that it's small. I already said that, I think. You got all your F1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, all that kind of good stuff. So this is pretty much going to wrap up the video in that we've tested the keyboard itself. I mean, heck, I wouldn't mind hooking, like, you know, unplugging my, you know, main keyboard, going and sitting on my bed, and just dinking around on it, you know, watching movies and stuff like that. I mean, that's what it's for, right? So I appreciate your guys' feedback, and I would like to hear some feedback on the videos as well. I mean, if you have any questions for me, please let me know. Let me know how I'm doing in my videos. You know, I want to improve my performance of these reviews every day. You know, I don't want to look like some kid out there like a moron, you know. I want to make these professional, make these better and stuff like that. So if you have any tips and stuff like that, please tell me. I really would like to know that. Also, one more thing. I'd like to thank Azio for sending me this review product. Being a product reviewer for them is seriously an honor, and I thank them from thank yous upon thank yous of thanking them, and that sounds really stupid, but yeah, I hope you guys realize how much this stuff means to me, and I hopefully will continue to do this in the future, you know, and stuff like that. So if you want to check out this keyboard and stuff like that, you can head over to aziocorp.com and stuff like that, so you can get into gear on all the cool stuff. One thing this doesn't have, oh, here's caps lock. I was like, where'd it go? Caps lock's right here. So yeah, thanks for watching.